Hello, this is Caesar with G Secure. Thank you for watching this video. And we're going to be going over how to make coax connectors with these BNCs here that we see. I'm using this crimper here and this cutting tool. Yes, it has a crimper too. I honestly don't like using it though. I'm using this for a cutter, and then these are my little dikes. Alright, so let's get started. So this is basic Siamese. You have two sides to it. You have the coax side and then the side for the power for the cameras. Usually you would start off, just strip out that layer to get the power for the cameras. Strip the positive and then you strip the negative. And then you would just connect that to your ends of your camera. Now, these are the BNCs we're going to be using. There are different sizes. This is the correct size, but just to show you, we have other ones here small that doesn't fit for a smaller coat, and then for a much thicker coat, maybe a burial rated cable. So let's go with the regular one. You always slip that in first. Then you use this tool to strip out the outer layer. You want to make sure you try to cut off the least amount of copper on the inside, almost nothing if possible. You peel that back, then you're going to use the same tool, but this is the smaller hole, to peel off the center. And this is where this piece goes in. You just push it in, let it pop in. Then you slide this over it. You get your crimp tool, not that one. Doesn't leave it clean. Put it in and just make sure you give it a good squeeze. And leaves a nice clean finish. See that? Now I made another one. I'm about to show you guys right now where I use the other crimper. And you're going to see the difference it makes. This is real nice and clean. So as you can see here, this is very unattractive to me, at least, compared to this, which is real nice and clean. Again, you see the difference. It's a much better, cleaner connection. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and thumbs up, and try your notifications. There'll be a lot more videos like this coming soon.